Introducing Dustcontrol UK's mobile dust extractors. We have developed a range of products for capturing dust at its source to help meet on-site working exposure limits, improve work efficiency and protect your lungs. The DC 1800 is suitable for general cleaning and source extraction from handheld power tools and small table saws. The DC 1800 is small, lightweight and ideal for those that need a highly portable machine that is powerful enough for source extraction. With its low weight, it is easy to carry onto the job site and can be easily stored or rolled under a workbench. The sturdy construction is perfect for the demands of the construction and machine rental industry, but also for anyone that needs a light yet powerful dust extractor. The DC 1800 is equipped with a steel container and a plastic bag is used inside the container. By being connected to the tools themselves, this makes the DC 1800 the primary barrier to stopping initial dust being released. The award-winning DC 2900 can reduce dust emissions by almost 100% in some cases, and since it is also a great vacuum cleaner too, it is a perfect alternative to site sweeping. Designed standard to application Class H with HEPA 13 filtration, cyclone separation and a strong performance curve, the machine is simple to operate and maintain and demonstrates a no-compromise approach to reducing airborne dust levels on construction sites. With the DC 2900, users can get on with their work efficiently without disrupting others and creating pollution. Sweeping can effectively be banned since the vac will do it just as well and not create airborne dust during the process. Collected dust is securely contained in the vacuum unit and discharged to the easy-to-change bag at the bottom. The DC 2900 dust extraction vacuum can be fitted directly onto your power tools. It features a 3-stage filtration system. High-speed motors spin airborne dust and force heavy particles into the collection bag below. The design gives lasting performance. Our range of vacuums feature a warning light to alert the operator that the filter is blocked. When this happens, you can use the reverse pulse cleaning system on the machine to safely unblock your filter without the need to remove them from the machine. This simple system prevents the operator and co-workers from being exposed to harmful dust, which would otherwise be released into the working environment. We recommend you routinely perform the pulse cleaning throughout the day to maximise the optimum performance of the vacuum. Ensure the correct connectors are fitted to the power tools to achieve a nice tight fit to the vacuum. Always choose the right size vacuum for the task at hand. The DC 3800 Twin is used where larger quantities of dust are being created. It has all the features of the DC 1800 and DC 2900, but with the added bonus of the pre-separator. This collects around 90% of the heavy material before passing through our 3-stage filtration system. Once the heaviest particles have been removed, the air is drawn through a conical pleated filter that removes 99% of the remaining dust particles. Finally, the HEPA filter removes the smallest particles that can be the most dangerous to your health. These filters are classified according to their efficiency with different levels ranging from H10 to H14. We use an H13 grade which can separate up to 99.995% of the particles between 0.15 and 0.3 microns in size. These inhalable dusts are the most harmful to your health. The DC 1800, DC 2900 and the DC 3800 are also powerful and effective vacuum cleaners and come with a floor cleaning attachment that eliminates the need for sweeping up on site. Professional dust extractors fall into the 3 application classes of L, M and H, that's low, medium and high, with an extra subcategory for asbestos. The HSE current requirement for industrial vacuums on construction sites is a minimum of M class. Dustcontrol only make mobile equipment to the higher application class H as a no-compromise approach. The DC Aircube range of air cleaners can be extremely effective at circulating the air in a room or in an enclosed work area through a highly efficient HEPA 13 filter which cleans the air and removes hazardous dust. The Aircube models are used in conjunction with our on-tool extraction products to prevent dust migration. They are designed to separate fine and hazardous dust down to 0.3 microns. An example of this is silica dust, which is found in concrete, brick, grout, mortar and drywall compound. The Aircubes can also be used as positive or negative pressure units. For example, if the work is taking place in a sealed room, you can exhaust the air, known as negative pressure, from the Aircube from within that room through the wall or sheeting. This creates a lower than atmospheric pressure in the room, which means dust migration out of the room is minimised because clean air is trying to get in through any cracks or leaks. Also, if you pump air, which is known as positive pressure, from an air tube into a sealed room, it will increase the atmospheric pressure in that room, meaning dirty air from outside can't get in. To avoid long-term damage to your health in the construction environment, think about equipping machines that create dust with suction casings. Vacuum the working environment regularly and use machines fitted with H13 HEPA filters. Air cleaners help to clean the ambient air, which can also be improved by finding working methods that create less dust. Always wear an approved respirator when working in a dusty atmosphere.